They give everything, even when it costs them everything. They stay when they should leave. They hope when they should let go. They love until it burns. Some zodiac signs don't know how to love halfway. They don't guard themselves. They don't play games. They go all in, heart first, consequences later. This is for the signs who love so deeply, they end up breaking their own hearts. Let's begin. Number 3, Pisces, the soul lover. Pisces doesn't fall in love, they dissolve in it. They give you their heart, their time, their silence, their chaos. All of it. They see the best in you, even when you show them the worst, and they'll hold on. Even when you let go, Pisces doesn't love for attention. They love because they feel too much. And that feeling, sometimes it's beautiful, sometimes it's brutal. Number 2, Cancer, the devoted heart. Cancer loves like home, warm, familiar, unconditional. They remember the little things. They show up when no one else does. And they never stop caring, even after you're gone. But when they love too much, they get lost in it. They give until there's nothing left, and they'll defend you long after you stop defending them. Cancer doesn't love lightly. They love with memory, with protection, with pain. Number 1, Taurus, the relentless romantic. Taurus may not say much, but when they love you, it's forever. They'll stay longer than they should, fight harder than you expected, and forgive more than you deserved. Their loyalty becomes their wound, because Taurus believes in building, even when it's breaking them. They don't walk away easily. And when they finally do, they're never the same. So, did your sign make the list? Or did someone love you like this once, and you didn't even notice? If this video touched something in you, like, subscribe, and check the description. 2 free gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, protect the ones who love too hard.